I figured if I'm going to be hanging around here for a while, the least I could do is help out. So you're going to be hanging around for a while here? Yeah, I think so. No, we have a list. Okay, great. I'm going to order us something. Any preferences? Eggs, French toast, key to the dumpster? Okay. I'll be right back. No, no, too.
Yeah, then I feel awful. I feel completely responsible.
Well, you should.
Well, I got Dean that job, and I certainly encouraged them. I felt they were so right together.
Miss Patty, please don't say anything to worry about. Sorry.
Red meat can kill you. Enjoy.
So I finished hemming your skirt today. A grunt of acknowledgement might be nice.
I don't understand why we're going to dinner tomorrow night. I mean, what if I had plans? You didn't even ask me.
Well, if you'd had plans, I would have known.
How?
Told me.
I don't tell you everything. I have my own things.
How you have things?
That's right, I have things.
Hey, I had big ambition.
I'm an idiot.
Get in here.
Hey.
Hey,
Sit, you're missing it.
what are we watching?
Incomparable Donna Reed show.
What's in there?
A salad.
Salad.
Yeah, it's a quaint dish sometimes used to precede large quantities of pizza. It's for me.
Clearly.
So, who's Donna Reed?
What?
So, what's this one?